And today, people in the community are remembering the victims and supporting their families. 13 on your side's Callie Lichter is live in Union City with more on a vigil in an effort to honor those victims. Callie.
Lauren, I'm here at the Rick Mears Amphitheater in downtown Union City, where in just around 30 minutes now, the community is going to gather for a prayer vigil to come together in the wake of tragedy. Now, earlier this afternoon, I went to the Union City Assembly of God. It's one of the churches in the community helping their neighbors in need. They've been collecting donations from the community and organizations within their denomination, filling rooms at their church. They also modified their Sunday service, hosting it later in the evening and encouraging their members to go straight to this prayer vigil downtown, which you are hearing some music behind me right now. Pastor Pete Payne says it's been incredible to see the community come together and others come from across the nation.
We just so appreciate everybody's thoughtfulness, and Union City is not usually on people's radar, and so but just to have that support is really it's neat to see. We thank the Lord for just his blessings every day and watching out for the people that did survive. We grieve for those that were lost, but just the support even nationally for what's happened, it really makes you feel that you're not alone.
The downtown vigil is open to anyone for a time of prayer, worship, and encouragement. Now, the vigil is going to start here shortly, but if you want to help out people in Union City who are affected by the tornado, you can drop off donations at the Union City High School. For now, live in Union City, I'm Callie Lichter, 13 on your side.